Hello and welcome to this quick demo. Today, we'll explore how to utilize SANsymphony CDP for granular VM and file recovery via Veeam. In the lab, we have applications running on VMware backed by SANsymphony storage, which is integrated with Veeam. Here, we'll demonstrate the combined capability of SANsymphony and Veeam by deleting a file from the server and restoring it using SANsymphony CDP rollback points from the Veeam console. Let's dive into the demo. We're working with an application on VMware infrastructure backed by a SANsymphony storage. First, let's look at the SANsymphony plugin in vCenter. By going to the data stores, we can locate the data store where our application VM resides. Now, let's get to the application VM and delete a file. Note the time, it's around 7:15 a.m. I'll go ahead and delete the survey data file. Next, we'll access the SANsymphony dashboard. From here, let's navigate to the virtual disk, which is presented as data store to the application VM. Note that the continuous data protection is enabled for this virtual disk. Now, let's click on the rollback point and hit Create Rollback. Provide the name for the rollback point as you desire and add a description. You can manually enter the time before the file was deleted or use the slider to navigate back in time. The rollback type can be either expire rollback or persistent rollback. Click on the Create button. The rollback point has been created. Let's switch to the Veeam UI. Under Storage Infrastructure, you'll see the DataCore storage. Our recently created rollback point or restore point is available here. Veeam scans the restore point periodically. If you want to see it right away, just click on Rescan and it will display the rollback/restore point. If you right-click on the VM, there are multiple options for restoration. To recover the deleted file, click on Restore the Windows file system. Please review the details, optionally enter a restore reason, check the selected restore point, and click Browse. Veeam will mount the restore point and present the file system. You can now click on the file you wish to restore and proceed with the restoration. In this case, the survey data. .txt file is now available for restoration. In unfortunate cases where restore points are lost from Veeam or SANsymphony, remember that unlike snapshots, you can always return to SANsymphony and create a new rollback point which will then be available in Veeam console. You can now go back to Veeam, rescan it, and the deleted rollback point will reappear, ready for restoration. Thank you for your time and attention.